friends, it's math time again. Today we get to talk about 3D shapes. 3D stands for three-dimensional. Now a three-dimensional shape is a shape that you can actually hold and feel. That's what 3D means, that it's something you can hold. Now what I want to show you on a shape, just some mathematical bigger words that you might want to use someday, but on a 3D shape, if there's a flat surface like this flat surface, they call the face. So on the cylinder, that's where the face would be, on this end and on that end. Look at the cone, and there's a flat surface right here on the cone. Now around the edges, they would call that the surface. And 3D shapes still have vertices or corners. This one, it just meets up at the top. If we looked at a cube, the corners are right there, and it's 3D. So if you wanted to look at some 3D shapes, you could open up your math workbook to page 170. And in your math workbook, it shows you and talks to you about the faces, about the surfaces of shapes. So that's page 170. And if you look here, they show the corners. There will be corners on a 3D shape. There's flat surfaces, flat faces, curved surfaces on the different shapes there. Now let's see if I can find some different ones. This one is a cone. Kind of looks like an ice cream cone, doesn't it? So it's called a cone. This one is a cube. It's called a cube. It's a square. It's a cube. And let's see, what else can I find? How about, oh, this one is a sphere. It's called a sphere. It's kind of like looks like a ball. And oops, it wants to roll. There it goes. This one is a cylinder. It's called a cylinder. So 3D shapes are shapes that you can hold. They're three-dimensional. They're not flat like a polygon. So what I'm going to have you do is I want you to look around your house for different 3D shapes. Now, one of the things you're going to do is this paper. You're going to cut out the 3D shapes on the bottom to match where it belongs up on top. These might give you an idea of what 3D shapes you can look for. I see a picture of a ball, a paint can, a balloon, a party hat, a box. Oh, here's a cone. So it could be maybe if you play soccer or a different sport, you have a little orange cone. You can look for a cone. So here are some ideas of things you can find around your house that are three-dimensional, or just look on your own for something else. What I'd like you to do with this paper, where there's dotted lines, you have to cut those pictures out. And then the ball, would the ball be a cone, a sphere, a cube, or a cylinder? And you have to glue it in the right spot. So what would the ball be? Be a sphere. So you'd glue it right there in that square. And you're going to do that with all of the pictures. You're going to glue them in the right spot. And after you do that, have your mom or dad take a picture and send it our way so that we can see how you did. So have fun finding those 3D shapes.